In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT with Siri 2026 Full Guide. If you've ever asked a voice assistant something thoughtful and only got "here's what I found on the web," you know how draining that can be. The good news is you no longer have to choose between Siri's tight control over your device and the reasoning power of ChatGPT. By wiring the two together with Apple's shortcuts, you'll get clear, spoken answers and hands-free control that actually helps you move faster. Let's unlock your device and set this up. Start by opening shortcuts on your iPhone or iPad. The quickest way is to swipe down on the home screen, search for shortcuts, and tap it. Once you're in, tap the plus icon in the top corner to create a fresh, empty shortcut. Think of this as your automation canvas. Everything we add here will run the moment you trigger Siri. Next, we'll tell the system which AI to call. At the bottom, use the search bar to find ChatGPT. From the list of actions, choose Ask ChatGPT and drop it into your canvas. This action is the brain of the workflow. It takes your spoken input and returns a crafted answer. If you don't see the action, make sure your device and Shortcuts app are fully up to date. Now let's make those answers crisp and useful. Tap the disclosure arrow on the Ask ChatGPT block to open its settings. Choose your preferred model like GPT-4o or another advanced reasoning option available on your device. Then, in the prompt field, set expectations so you get tight responses every time. For example, direct it to act as a concise, conversational intelligence companion, avoid corporate filler, and keep replies under 3 lines. This gives you fast, on-point answers that are perfect for voice playback. To hear the result out loud, add one more action. Search for Speak Text and place it right after Ask ChatGPT. In Speak Text, link the text field to the ChatGPT response variable, so whatever the model returns is what gets read to you. You can quickly adjust the voice or speaking rate here if you want easier listening while you're on the move. Wrap it up by giving your shortcut a memorable name you can say clearly. Rename it to something distinct, like Smart AI, and tap Done to save. Now test it hands-free. Wake your device and say, "Siri, run Smart AI." Siri will capture your question, route it through your ChatGPT rules, and speak back a polished, concise answer. No screens, no scrolling. That's it. With Siri and ChatGPT working together, you can brainstorm, calculate, and get reliable explanations while staying focused and hands-free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you